Hey there guys, welcome to the video review of the Samsung's screen recorder. And as you guys can note, there's a little recording icon going up top. So right now I'm currently recording this particular video that you guys are watching. So first up, where is the recorder? So the recorder is actually a built-in app into the Samsung Galaxy S10. So I'm using the S10e version. So you do not really have to go and install a third-party app. It comes with your stock ROM. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where it's located. So from up top, you want to scroll down. As you can tell, it's recording right now. And then I'm going to expand the buttons. And then scroll over. So as you guys can note, there is the screen recorder right here. Okay, I did not mean to tap on that, and it shows the blue icon indicating that it's currently recording. I'm gonna go ahead and tap into it now. Okay, so currently I am recording the internal sound, which is the media sound, and the microphone, which is why you guys are hearing me talk right now. Now, if I did not want to do that, if I only wanted to have the internal sound of the system played, then I would go ahead and select on media sounds. Now, if I didn't want any sound, of course, you can select no sound. Currently, I'm recording at 1080p, and it also gives you other features for selfie video size, so you can always change your sizes down here. But I'm not going to mess with the selfie size, I just wanted to show you guys where that's located. Now you can also get to the same settings by going into your settings and then searching for screen recorder settings. So there you go. That's another way to get into the settings for your screen recorder. Okay, let's go ahead and test out internal audio recording system for the screen recorder app. So I'm going to go ahead and play a YouTube video to test that out. Let's see, let's try to find something interesting here to play. Ah, there we go, the International Space Station. Okay, let's take a look.
Every single Sunday, I send out a watch list for free of the absolute best stocks that are coming up.
Skip that.
21 years ago, the first module of the International Space Station was launched into orbit. Over the last 2 decades, it has been home to hundreds of astronauts, conducting an incredible amount of scientific research to help us improve life.
Alright guys, that's a quick overview of the internal audio recording system. Alright, now let's take a quick look. Let's exit out of here, swipe from the bottom if you are on full screen. I'm going to exit out of here and let's go ahead and take a look at the voice recorder app that's built into the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now if you don't have the built-in voice recorder installed, you can go ahead and do that from the Play Store. Let's take a look at that first. Go into the Play Store and then type in voice recorder. And normally it should be the first search result. So as you can tell, Samsung voice recorder is right there and it shows that I have installed it. I'm going to just hit open. And there you go. It opened directly into the Samsung's voice recorder. It's got a couple of settings here. There's the standard, the interview, and the speech to text. I generally tend to use standard for the most part. So once you record a file, you can go ahead and edit the file, the audio file, within the voice recorder itself. And that's pretty neat. The way you do that is by going into a list, and then you can tap into any one of the sound recordings that you have done before, and then edit it from there. For example, I'm going to go ahead and go into this particular file. I'm going to stop it right there. Say I want to edit it at any section. What I would do is tap right there, go into edit, and then I can go ahead and trim this audio track to wherever I like. Let's just say I want it from there, then hit the little scissors icon. Now it gives you two options. Do you want to delete the selected area, or do you want to delete the dimmed area? So if I hit delete selected area, it's going to delete the highlighted portion, the visible portion right there. If I hit the other one, it's going to delete the grayed out portion. So for this particular video, I'm going to go ahead and delete the beginning portion right there. I'll say delete selected area, and that's going to delete that portion from the audio track. So that's how you edit any given portion of your audio track. And then of course you got to hit save. Now it gives you a couple of options while you're saving. It will ask you, do you want to replace the original file, or do you want to save as a new file? So I'll go ahead and select replace the original file, but it's up to you what do you want to do with it. But there you go, that's basically how you would modify or edit a audio file. If you want to record an audio file, you just hit this button right here. I'm going to quickly do it, but I don't want to keep recording on the voice recorder as I'm already recording the audio using my phone. Here we go. Oh, interesting. Okay, it says unable to start because I'm already recording audio using the screen recorder. Alright, so let's see. Interview tab. And then there's the speech to text. So that's basically a quick overview of the screen recorder and the voice recorder that are built into the Samsung Galaxy S10e. I would highly recommend using the manufacturer supported apps rather than third-party apps. And this is just from a privacy security standpoint. It's always better to use stock versions of software than third-party software unless you trust the third-party software manufacturers. Alright folks, that's all for this video. If you like this content and if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, till the next one.